We often think the big secrets of the universe are far away. We imagine scientists in fancy labs or telescopes pointing at distant stars. But some of the most amazing things are right here, all around us. You do not need a special degree to see them. You just need to look closely. Think about a snowflake. Each one is different. Water is a simple thing that we drink every day, but it can make these complex shapes. The way water freezes depends on the air, because small changes in the air make big changes in the ice. This shows how tiny things can have huge effects. It tells us that even simple stuff can build something beautiful and unique. We see this in other places too, where a small seed grows into a big tree. The tree's shape depends on its seed, and the dirt it grows in. The sun and rain shape it too. It is a system. Many parts work together. A pine cone has spirals, and so does a sunflower. These spirals follow a math rule called the Fibonacci sequence. It is a sequence that shows up in many things. It is in the way leaves grow on a stem and in the shape of seashells. This pattern is not just pretty, but it helps plants use space while helping them get the most sunlight. Math rules nature so you see the same shapes and patterns repeat. This suggests the universe likes order and uses simple mathematical rules to make complex things. The presence of these mathematical rules is evidence of an intelligent designer behind the universe. A rainbow appears when sunlight hits raindrops, causing the light to bend and split into colors. This process is called refraction, and when we see that white light is really made of many colors. The colors always appear in the same order, showing that light follows laws and that it follows rules we can understand. Light can also act like a wave and a particle depending upon how we look at it. This idea seems strange, but it means light is not just one thing. It is two things at the same time, and this duality is a big part of how the universe works. What makes the difference is what information we have about individual photons. This supports the idea that the universe is fundamentally information. The movement of the stars and planets is another example. We see the same stars at the same time each year, and the planets move in predictable paths. This is because of gravity, which is the force that pulls things together. It keeps the planets in orbit around the sun. It makes apples fall from trees. The sun is also a star, and stars produce heat and light from nuclear fusion. This is where small atoms join together, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. This energy moves out into space and reaches Earth, and without the sun, Earth would be a frozen rock. The stars are the power source of the universe, and they too follow very predictable patterns. This allows scientists to map where the stars are and where they will be in the future. The human body is a good example. Cells are very small, but they work together to make a person. Our bodies have organs, each of which has specific job. The heart pumps blood, the lungs take in air, and the brain is the control center. It is amazing how all these parts work together, and we are able to observe these things, using tools to magnify the small and other tools to look far away into space. Humans can see a small portion of how amazing the universe truly is. Furthermore, we have just begun to scratch the surface of what is to be discovered. In conclusion, we often think the universe is a mystery, and in some ways it is. However, many secrets are right in front of us. We only have to look closely, and we can find wonder in snowflakes, patterns, light, and life. The secrets that are right in front of us often reflect much larger secrets of the universe. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.